When he meet me, him did know some have a man.
JGTV, your choice for Jamaican entertainment.
Bang bang bang, connect.
The reason why I make a YouTube video is because I don't want to go on live, go talk about it and be a negative comments. So I do a video. I go explain myself. Although I know I go get bashed the same way because we are a woman. Yes. When he meet me, he did know some have a man. Him did know some have a man. And don't get it twisted. So when me and him there, him never boss. Him never boss. When me and him never boss. Listen. When me did have my man, I tell him, I make him know some I have my man. And him never care. Him did still a come to me. Him did still a come over me yard. Every day him come over yard, we flex, run we joke, till we get close. The very first time I find out that I'm pregnant, I text him and I say, Skilly, you know I'm pregnant. Him say, no, because him coming at me. I say, alright. I turn to him and I say, I'm not ready. Him said to me, say why? And I open another shit where I say, I feel like I'm not ready. I feel like I'm that shit. Him cuss me and him block me for all social media. I did have to get one of my friend's phone the day and message him and say, I'm not bother do it. And him unblock my back. Him unblock my back off of Instagram and WhatsApp. Anyways, when I go up on here the other day, me and him did a talk and him said I need to take back over one more test. I take back over the test. And when I take back over the test, I send it to him and then after that we start move cool. I never give him any jacket for all. Him say no sense coming at me and him positive. I say okay. But him did know some of my man. One night him come up a yard. That was before I got pregnant. Him come up a yard and him say, we are going to nigger. I turn to him and I say, I not go so far, I not going to nigger. Him say, him not left me and I say, I'm not going nigger. I not going to nigger. Anyway, I say, to him about him, I say, alright. I'm going to the yard, I take the back of the yard. I go around the back and take run a back. Show one shortcut, go on the gully and go run my other man. Because him did know I have my man. I'm going to tell him not come nigger. So I like say him no know so I have somebody to talk to. So you see if him never sure self him, all him did have to do, I say Leshi, you know so I'm not sure and we need to do a DNA test. I would vex. But the fact that him come at me yard him come with 6 boy pitney. That means say all of them know in business. Him come with 6 boy pitney. And when him come with them, he friend me up, him talk to me, and him say get the baby ready. Because I'm going to spend the day with him. But through my always because him say him nah come round. So I give him the baby willingly the day. Him take up my baby, give him the baby bag and everything. Him walk go on the gully. He never come in on a car. Him walk on the gully and then when he reach on the gully, him bring my baby. That time that him grandfather drive and then bring my baby go do DNA test without me knowing nothing. So I like say, me stop him from doing what I do. You have to come to me. Better you did make me here go and cuss me. When you find out, rub me out. Me not care, rub me out because you're going to feel away. But the fact that me never get the DNA test, you know, me never get the DNA test. Him send him mother, him send him father, and him send him grandfather. And as him grandfather here, him grandfather tell the whole girl side. And him sit down and them rejoice because them say me I get enough money for him and me not supposed to get so much money because them begging money and them never get it. because them here saying baby mother get money. Oh, you have to tear down a girl. Him look at followers them influence him to do it that way there. But him say him have 9 subjects and you have your head for your body. You could have do it and nobody never know. Honestly, you could have do it and nobody never know because we could have talked about it. But the fact that me never get the DNA test result, me never get it. Me wasn't the first one who get it. Him send everybody before me. That means him not respect me none at all. And I'm my baby. I'm my baby too. And of course me I go vex. Of course me I go feel away. Him not the first to get jackets. But if you know say, yo, Ray, all you have to do is just come to me and make we go do it. Simple as that. Cost me, deal with me away, and we deal with it, and the argument done. And enough people deal with it and nobody no know up to now. But no, you want to come on social media for bring me down. You want to come on social media for bring me down when you bring down yourself too. Because you're there where you're there and feel away. All when you tell people say you don't feel away, I know you feel away because blogger have it everywhere and it could have deal with different. It could have deal with different because I don't like saying no know some did have my man. Him take where me from my man. Because him did a start come round and me I get to start rate him. Because no man in a past and him no day in a me yard. No man in. And we chat, laugh, him sing with me ear can run go back thing. Him the over me yard, reason. So oh we and him to all me and him close. Him the over yard literally every day. And all of my friends them know him. All of my friends. So me and him close. Me and him the over yard every day, pan him bike back everything till me and till me the pan him bike back and him a teach me for ride him bike right on my yard gate. So I like say me and him no have understanding and I like say me him a one night stand, me's a one night stand and it happen. Me and him been have sex. Been having sex. So if you know or them tell you say yo dog, Ray. All you have to do is just come to me. So and I like say we never close. Him could have do it different. I know what him do, how him do it. Him could have do it better. Him could have do it different. Why social media did have to involve in it. Him could have sent me it and then block me and stop deal with me. I would have a problem coming on no feelings for him. Same on my talks, I'm not sure we couldn't do a DNA test together. You see me? But no, you want the whole social media no. You send people to bash me when them a bash it two away. Why them a bash it two away? Them a bash me more no cause they are woman. And woman no figure jackets. But them a bash you too. Them a bash you too and have some people laugh after you too. And it could have do different. Them say if me make YouTube about this, them a go bring me down. When you can bring me down after this, me not make nobody hold down my mouth and make me not talk. Me a go talk because me never dealt with him when him boss. Me dealt with him before him boss. I'm no business about for him fame. Me not care because him never post me. Nobody never did have to know because certain people never know say me did I'm baby mother.